Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American gas station. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two travelers and the gas station staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many gas grades are there at most American gas stations? 2, 3, or 4? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
David, look, the fuel light is on.
Oh, you're right. The tank is almost empty.
How far can we still drive?
Maybe 20 more miles, but don't worry. There's a gas station ahead.
Good. I don't want to stop on the highway.
Me neither. Look at the fuel meter. It's almost at E.
E means empty, right?
Yes, and F means full. Very simple.
Easy to remember. So, are we going to a self-service station?
Yes, in America, almost every gas station is self-service.
I see. I have never pumped gas in America before.
Really? It's your first time?
Yes, my first time. I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. It's not difficult.
I heard American gas has 3 types. Is that true?
Yes, 3 types: regular, plus, and premium.
3? Why 3? Which one do we use?
You'll see. Wait a few minutes.
You'll see? Come on, just tell me.
No, you'll learn at the station. It's better that way.
Okay. One more question. Is the price per liter or per gallon?
Per gallon. 1 gallon is about 4 liters.
Per gallon? That's so different from home.
Yes, so the price looks small, but 1 gallon is a lot of gas.
I see. Oh, here's the exit.
Good. Let's take this exit. The station is right there.
I can see the big sign. The price is $3.59.
That's the price per gallon. Not bad.
Okay, here we go. My first American gas station.
Don't worry, I'll show you everything.
Is this a big station or a small one?
It's a medium one. I can see about 8 pumps.
8 pumps. And there is a small store on the side.
Yes, most American gas stations have a store. You can buy snacks, drinks, and coffee.
Oh, that's convenient.
Some stations even have hot food in a bathroom.
Good to know. I might need a bathroom.
Let's get gas first. Okay, we are at pump number 5. Let me park here.
Wow, the pump looks bigger than I expected.
Yes, American pumps are big. Now let's pay first.
How do we pay? At the pump?
Yes, we can pay at the pump with a credit card. Watch.
Okay.
I put my card in here, like this.
Oh, a screen is showing something.
It says, enter zip code.
Zip code? What is a zip code?
It's a kind of postal code, like a number for your address.
But you don't have an American address. You're from another country.
Right, I don't have a zip code. Let me try my home postal code.
Did it work?
No, the screen says card not accepted.
Oh no. Try again.
I'll try a different number. Maybe 5 zeros?
Did that work?
No, same message. Card not accepted.
Why is it asking for a zip code? That's strange.
I don't know. Maybe it's a safety check.
We can't pay this way.
It looks like my foreign card is not working at the pump.
So what do? We need gas.
Let's go inside the store and ask. Maybe we can pay there.
Good idea. The lights are on inside.
Yes, someone is working at the counter. Let's go.
Wait, should I lock the car?
Yes, please lock it.
Okay, locked. Let's go ask.
I really want to know why it asks for a zip code.
Me too. Let's find out.
Maybe the person at the counter can help us.
I hope so. We don't have much time.
We have time, don't worry.
Look at all those snacks in the window. American stores have so many.
Yes, American gas stations often have a big snack area.
Okay. Also, I'm a little hungry. Can we buy a snack inside?
Sure, let's get gas first, then a snack.
Okay, sounds good.
Hi, excuse me.
Hi there. How can I help you?
My credit card didn't work at the pump. Can I pay here first?
Sure, no problem. We call that prepay. You pay first, then pump.
Prepay? That sounds simple.
It is. Tell me your pump number and how much you want.
I'm at pump 5. I want $40, please.
Pump 5, $40. Got it.
One question. Which grade should I use?
Good question. We have 3 grades: regular, plus, and premium.
3 grades. Yes, my friend told me. What's the difference?
Regular is the cheapest. It's the most common one. Most cars use it.
Okay, regular is common.
Plus is in the middle. The price is a little higher.
And premium?
Premium is the most expensive. It's for some sports cars and luxury cars.
I see. We have a rental car. Which one is best for us?
For a rental car, regular is fine. You don't need plus or premium.
Great. Okay, regular please.
Smart choice. It's cheaper too.
One more question. Why does the pump ask for a zip code?
Ah, that's a safety check. It's for security.
A safety check?
Yes, the pump checks that the card is real. American cards have a zip code with them.
I see. So foreign cards usually fail.
Right. That's why prepay inside is the best way for visitors.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here's your receipt. Pump 5, $40, regular.
Thank you, Mary.
You're welcome. One more tip for visitors.
Yes, please.
If you ever try a card at the pump again, just press cancel and come inside.
Cancel and come inside. Got it.
Inside is always faster for foreign cards.
That's a great tip. I'll remember that.
Have a good drive. So, what did Mary say?
She said we can prepay inside. $40 on pump 5.
Great. And the 3 braids?
Regular, plus, and premium. We use regular
Why regular?
because it's the cheapest and it works for most cars. Rental cars use regular.
Got it. And the zip code mystery?
It's a safety check. American cards have zip codes. Ours don't.
Now I understand. Okay, show me how to pump.
First, open the gas cap. It's on this side of the car.
Okay, the cap is open.
Next, take the nozzle from the pump. Hold it firmly.
This black thing, it's heavy.
Yes, that's the nozzle. Now put it into the tank.
Like this?
Yes, all the way in. Now look at the buttons.
I see 3 buttons. Regular plus premium.
Push the regular button.
Pushed.
Now squeeze the trigger on the nozzle.
Like this?
Yes, you can hear the gas going in.
I hear it. Wow, it's working.
Look at the screen. The numbers are going up.
$8, $15. How do you know when to stop?
You don't have to stop. The pump stops by itself when the tank is full.
Really? It's automatic?
Yes, it stops for safety, so the gas doesn't come out too much.
That's smart.
There's also a small lock on the trigger. You don't have to hold it.
Oh, my hand is getting tired.
Use the lock. Your hand can rest.
Much better. Wait, the pump just stopped.
Did it click?
Yes, a loud click.
Good. That means we used the $40, or the tank is full.
Now what?
Take out the nozzle and put it back on the pump.
Done. Now I close the cap?
Yes, turn it until you hear a click.
Click. There, the cap is on tight.
Good. The cap must be tight, or the car shows a warning light.
Oh, really? Even for the gas cap?
Yes, if the cap is not tight, the car may have a problem.
Good to know. So, are we done with the pump?
Yes, we're done. Now we go inside for the receipt and any change.
Change? We get money back?
Maybe. Mary said prepay can return change.
Nice. Free money.
It's not free. It's our money.
Hey, what is this thing? A blue bucket with sponges?
Hi there. That's a squeegee.
A what?
Squeegee. It's a window cleaner. For your windshield.
Oh, a window cleaner. Now I get it.
Yes, it's free. You can use it anytime.
Free? Really?
Really? Most American gas stations have one.
Wow, that's nice. How do I use it?
First, take the sponge side. Wet the window with the soap water.
Like this?
Yes, just spread the water on the glass.
Okay, the window is wet now.
Now, turn it around. Use the rubber side.
The flat black part?
Yes, pull it down from the top of the window to the bottom.
From top to bottom. Okay, here I go.
Slow and steady.
Oh, the water is everywhere. I made a mess.
That's okay. Try again. Press a little harder this time.
Press harder. Got it.
Now pull straight down in one smooth move.
One smooth move. There.
Perfect. See? The window is clean now.
Wow, it really works. And it's so clear.
Yes, it also cleans the bugs off the window.
Bugs? Oh, the dead bugs on the glass?
Right. After a long drive, the windshield gets dirty with bugs.
That makes sense.
Always use the squeegee before a long trip. Safety first.
Good tip. Thank you so much.
One more thing. Don't use the squeegee for too long.
Why not?
Other drivers may want to use it too, so just clean and go.
Ah, I see. Sharing rule.
Right. and put the squeegee back in the bucket when you're done.
Back in the bucket. Got it.
Perfect. You're a quick learner.
Thank you. I learned a lot today.
No problem. Drive safe.
You too. Have a great day.
Hi, Mary. I'm back. We're done at pump 5.
Welcome back. Let me check the total.
Sure. Take your time.
Okay, here it is. You only used $32.50.
Only $32.50? But I paid $40.
Right, so I need to give you $7.50 back.
Oh, I get money back?
Yes, of course. Prepay always gives the change back.
I didn't know that. That's nice.
Here's your change, $7.50.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
One more question. Is the price on the sign the final price, with tax?
Yes, the price you see is the price you pay. Tax is already in it.
That's easy. No surprises at the counter.
Right. The state tax is already included. Tax is a little different in each state.
I see. Good to know.
So, is this your first time pumping gas in America?
Yes, my first time, and my friend Aaron's first time too.
How was it?
At first, it was a little hard. The card didn't work.
That's a common problem for visitors.
But you helped us a lot. Now I know about prepay, the 3 grades, and the zip code.
Wow, you learned a lot today.
Yes, and now I know everything.
Well, almost everything.
Almost. I still need more practice.
Practice makes it easy. Next time, you'll be fast.
Thank you, Mary. You really helped us today.
My pleasure. Drive safe out there.
We will. Have a great day.
You too. Come back anytime.
We will. Oh, can I buy a coffee here?
Of course. The coffee is on the back wall, $2 per cup.
$2. That's a fair price.
We have hot coffee, iced coffee, and tea.
I'll take 2 hot coffees, please.
2 hot coffees. That's $4.
Here you go. $5.
And $1 back. Thank you.
Thanks again, Mary. Bye.
Bye. Safe travels.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many gas grades are there at most American gas stations? 2, 3, or 4? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy these videos and would like to support the channel, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.